Hey, this is Rob. I wanted to show you a new addition to our Parachute Mobile air-to-ground station setup. This is a monitoring station at the drop zone, so when the jumper is performing air-to-ground video, it allows us to view what they're seeing, or actually what the camera is seeing from the air. This is in addition to our recording station that is used to stream it out live, but this makes it easier for everybody on the ground to see on the screen. So as you all know, here's our GoPro. This is attached to the jumper. It goes through a composite cable down to the foot of the jumper to this transmitter that is powered by a LiPo battery. It's picked up on the ground by this diversity receiver. It has composite out that goes directly into this Eachine DVR Pro recorder that I just picked up. There's a little SD card in here, so it puts that video directly onto the SD card. It also passes it out through this converter that takes the composite to HDMI to the TV. So let's see what happens here. If I go ahead and plug power in to the Eachine DVR Pro, there's our light. It works on 5 volts. Everything else is powered up. If we look at the screen here, you'll see that it's video mode, SD card's in, time lapse. So let's turn the GoPro on. We should get a signal. And there we go, signal's up. So we do have a hot signal. That's our video that's being received by the diversity receiver. I'm going to go ahead and hit the record button, which should be the up button here, or the right play button, I guess you could say. And you can see that the time lapse is going. There's a blinky light. If you look back over here, it's blinking. And I'm taking a recording of me taking a recording. That's pretty cool. Alright, we'll do a few seconds here more. 20 seconds is good. So, what I'll do is I'll hit that button again. It's now stopped recording. Now if I hit the other button, if I remember doing this correctly, the left button, and hold it down, I'm now in playback mode. So if I hit the play button again, we'll see what happens here. Oh, there we go. It's the other button. You can see now it is in playback mode. That's not me moving. Kind of cool. So we recorded it on that. Now let's see what happens if we actually turn that off. I'm going to go back to... Oops, hang on a second, folks. I'm going to go back to the record. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to unpower, take the power off. There we go. I'm not going to take the SD card out, which is tricky with one hand because that little SD, there we go, I got it. Alright, I'm now going to put the SD card in the adapter and pop it into the laptop. And let's see if we actually have it available for other device, which shouldn't be a problem. Oh, it's hard to see. There you go. It transferred over. So that worked out really well. So this will kind of be cool. It allows us to quickly get an archive of all our air-to-ground as seen through the camera. We also have the raw footage that comes directly off the SD card from the GoPro itself. That's typically a lot clearer and done in better resolution, but it's nice seeing what we're getting off the SD card. Okay, I hope that was interesting, and more later.